Hey there, I'm going to improve your understanding of the silly square roots and the rad radicals so you can even impress your math teacher with your awesome math skills. Hello, my name is Anias. Today I'm going to teach you the vocabulary and steps to solve silly square roots and rad radicals that will help you a lot in the mathematical problems in the future. This is my one and only video I'm going to make on the silly square roots and rad radicals, so soak up as much information as you can. First things first, we need to address the various vocabulary. Okay, buckle up here because we have a lot. There is simplifying, square numbers, operations, coefficients, exponents, variables, degrees, radicand, and the biggest one today, radicals. Now let's go down the even bigger list of what all these words actually mean. Radicals. Radicals are an expression that uses a root, such as a square root or a cube root, like this. Radicand. Radicand are what's inside the radical that you are trying to find the root of. Degrees are what's outside the radical, that is the number of times the radical is multiplied by itself. Exponents. Exponents are a number or letter that is written above and to the right of a mathematical expression, a base, and it means to raise the base to a certain power. Operation. Operations are a way of putting a function to numbers. Square numbers. Square numbers are the result of a number being multiplied by itself. Example, 5 times 5 is 25. 25 is a square number. Simplifying. Simplifying means bringing something to a simpler version. These definitions may be a lot at the moment, and this might seem complicated, but I will show you where all the terms will be used in the equation one by one. Now here's the golden apple to solving the silly square roots and radical radicals. The law of radicals. Wow. The law of radical makes it so you have root AB equals to root A and root B. Let's start off with the problems now. You might want to set up a square number chart from 0 to 100. This is going to help a lot. So our first problem is 3 square root 75. First, we're going to work with the radicand, and our radicand is 75. We're going to find what's the greatest square number that could fit into 75. The biggest square number that could fit is 25, and 25 fits into 75 3 times. So we're going to start our factor tree. 25 over here, and 3 over here. And we're going to have to simplify this to 5 times 5. And we can't simplify it anymore because there's no square numbers. So 3 is going to go inside the radicand, so let's start rewriting this. But we're going to only take one of these 5s, and now we're going to multiply it with this 3 outside, or the 3 of the degree. And 3 times 5 is 15. So the final answer would be 15 square root. In question 2, we have 4 square root 147. We're going to work with the radicand again, which in this case is 147. The biggest square number that could fit in 147 is 49, and it fits into 147 3 times. So we're going to start our factor tree again under the radicand, and we're going to put 49 and 3. Now the square root of 49 is 7 times 7. Now we're going to take the farthest number and leave it in here again. So as we start rewriting this again, it's going to be the radicand of 3. And then this time we're going to multiply a 7 to the 4. And 7 times 4 is 28. So our final answer is going to be 28 square root 3. That is all. Thank you for watching this video, and please share it with any of your friends that may need help in this area. You don't know if it will help them a lot.